I think it was my last video in the whole month without working on it that prompted Mara to start working without me. So welcome back. My name is Mark, that's Mara, and this is the BetsyRoss Jeep. We're back at it again tonight. We're going to try to get the interior in, probably starting with the headliner, seat belts, sound deadening on the floor, carpets. We're just going to start going to it and see how far we can get. Got a whole bunch of plastics over there we got to go through to figure out what we want to put in and what we want to leave out. I think we're probably going to make the carpet last because we'll cut it up into sections. So I'll bring you guys in and show you that part, but otherwise we're going to get to it, and we'll show you what all you can see, and then probably set you over here on a time lapse and just let it roll. So thanks for coming. See where we get to. Okay, I'm going to go through these rubber things here and trying to find all the ones that go in those holes, and she is cleaning.
Trying to clean the seatbelts.
Because those have to go in through the headliner right there. So if we have to replace them, we'd rather know now rather than have to take it all back apart again. But here we go. Oh, there's one right there. Gotta do it. Well, it's quitting time. It's getting kind of late and we're all running out of steam. We got some stuff done though. We got the seat belts clean, we got the rubber grommets in, we got those seat belts in, we got this plastic in, got that plastic in, we got that seat belt in, and we got all that stuff cleaned. We started picking out which ones of these we're going to put in because we're just trying to figure out which ones were which and which ones were in the best shape. So I think that's it for tonight. That's about as far as we're gonna go. We have the headliner's almost ready to go in, but we've got to find the parts for that. We've got to cut holes for the visors and pick out which visors we're gonna use. But that's it for tonight. We'll see you again in a minute when we pick back up on that. We're gonna do this one first.
First downstate.
We did that one first. We stayed right over there. And the next one is the Upper Peninsula.
of the state.
That's right. Because now we've got, this is last night, the second part of the, and then hopefully on the way back home we'll get Wisconsin and maybe one of these two.
Both. Take a picture without putting it on. Wisconsin. Wow. That's 3 new states.
That's 3 new states. Got a glare on it.
Okay.
Take 2.
There we go. That's better. It's not perfect.
Still crooked though.
Not as bad as it was. It was overlapping Ohio.
Oh man.
Okay.
Now it's crooked.
Well, it has been more than a minute for sure. It's been a month, and no change, no progress. We have not gotten anything else done. I picked out what I think to be 4 of my best visors. You can see they're really dirty and gross. We've got to figure out how to get them cleaned or recover them. I have these guys that need to go in there. I need to figure out which one of those boards works with the remote, and then test out to see if keyless will work. But I'm gonna call it at this point. It's been over a month since I put a video out, and I don't really have anything else to put out, so I'm gonna just call that for this, and we'll carry on with the rest of this, and I'll bring yous in. I think I went past Pittsburgh on vacation, so yins. Yeah. Anyway, I will bring y'all, everybody, you get the point. Anyway, you'll be back, we'll be back. There'll be another video. I don't know when, but we're going to try to keep going. But that's it for now. Thanks so much for stopping out. We'll see you guys next time.